Aren't fan buns supposed to be cute? Because this is what I tried and this is what I got, and it looks like I have like a dead fish on top of my head. Hey there, sunshine. Today we are going to be unboxing June's Target beauty box. I don't know why I sung that. Probably because I'm so impressed with myself, because I was like, oh my gosh, I got my stuff together and I actually got a box in time. They didn't sell out. Yay, I'm so proud of myself. But for those of you who do not know, the Target beauty box is between $7 and $10. It's not something that you sign up for and they send it out every month. You actually have to go through and like purchase it. So like as soon as you purchase June's box, that's it. And they sell out, and they sell out rather quickly. I bought this on the 1st. So like as soon as Target had it up, I was like, boom. Actually, it was the first. It might have been the 3rd. I don't know. But as soon as I saw that it went up, I like went over and I bought it. I don't even know if they still have like June's box available. But if they don't, you can enjoy this box with me. We can unbox it together and have fun and talk and just, you know, make good memories together. I felt like I said that and I came across so sassy, and like I was being genuine, and I just came across like so rude, and that was not my intention. Okay, so this box was $7, and I have a complaint to make. So with Target, when you go to buy this box, and I like understand why they do it, but when you go and buy their beauty box, they put like everything that you're getting in the box in the picture, and I wish they didn't do that, or I wish they gave me an option where I could be surprised and like not know what's in the box, but they don't really do that. They let you know everything. I already know everything's in the box because I like saw the picture, but they let you know everything that's inside this box plus tips, and then with every box you get a $3 off coupon that you can go spend in Target beauty items. So this month we have orange tissue paper, and this is what the inside of this month's box looks like. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is from Neutrogena. And this is a Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara. Coats every lash to help strengthen and instantly plump the look of lashes. It does have hyaluronic acid in it. Okay, I know Neutrogena is like so expensive, and the fact that I got this for like $7 is like freaking banging. Makes lashes look beautifully silky, glossy, long, and full. I have mascara on. I just did my like quick everyday makeup. So I can't test this out for you today, guys. But if you want to see it, let me know and I will do it in an upcoming makeup tutorial. Formulated to help plump lashes from the core, adds a boost of hydration and shine. Moisture Intense Mascara nourishes lashes, works to replenish stiff and brittle lashes, especially designed brush to maximize lash impact, non-smudging, no flaking, non-clumping. I'm really excited because I would love to try out a mascara from Neutrogena if it was easy to open. I cannot ever freaking open these type of packages. I just am not. That was not a gift that I was born with. Like, no easy open packages. That was not something that, you know, God was like, you know, I'm gonna bless this one with the ability to easily open packages. And girl, what is with my hair? I look like a werewolf. I don't know. I had it up in a bun and I was like, I have my hair up in a bun. But I was like, let me put my hair down, maybe look a bit nicer for YouTube for you guys. And now I look like a werewolf. So maybe let's just put our hair back up in a bun real quick. Let's do that. Boom. I can't ever, can you guys do like legit buns? Because like no matter how hard I try, my buns never look nice. My hair's always like, oh, I got my ring stuck in my hair. How is that for a story? Literally, oh my God. Look, there's my ring. It's stuck in my hair. Oh, this is a crazy unboxing. Next thing you know, a giraffe is gonna like freaking break into my room and steal my mascara. So this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plumping Mascara. I just got the wand all covered and coated. We can't try this out. I'm sad, but it's really cool that I did get a full-size mascara in this box. The next thing that I received in my Target beauty box is a full-sized Colgate Optic White Express Whiter Teeth. It's toothpaste. Okay, fresh mint flavor. So it's Optic White Platinum Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste. That's what that is. Oh my gosh, I've always wanted to try this. I feel like Colgate is so expensive, so I'm like, maybe I'll buy it next week. And then I have yet, it's been like 2 years I've been saying that, and I have yet to ever buy it. But I just feel like it's so incredibly expensive for toothpaste. Like I can go to the dollar store and just get some like a full-size tube of toothpaste for $1 and like that be it. But I've always wanted to try it because I know people talk about like a lot how that actually does whiten teeth. So I really hope this lives up to it because I could use some whitening. Okay. story time. We have so many story times on this channel. I'm beginning to think that, like, I hope you guys understand that I, like, love talking to you guys so much, and I get so excited that, like, every unboxing comes with a story time. Okay, so let's look at my smile for a hot second. Okay, do you see how these teeth are really white? They're my real teeth. Nothing is, like, I, like, have really, like, I've never had braces. I had a turtle growing up, but I never had braces. And for some reason, my front two teeth are my whitest teeth. I have no idea why. And I had, like, and, like, everything else around is, like, really yellow. And I had a kid ask me if my teeth were fake because my front two teeth are, like, really white. Story time. That was, like, I was in 6th grade, and I still remember that conversation. If you could tell how offended I was like, no, boy, my teeth are real. But for some reason, that really hurt my 6th grade little feelings. But the next thing that we received in this box is Major Matte Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream from Sleek Makeup. Oh my goodness. A lipstick and a mascara? Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm so excited. I've never tried anything from Sleek Makeup, and I don't think I've ever seen it in a Target before, but we're just gonna put it on because I don't have any lip products on. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a really pretty natural color. Like, it looks so much darker in the tube, but, like, on it, it's, like, a nice, like, bright, natural color, and it's, like, really pretty. Like, for some reason, I expected it to be, like, a dark nude, but this is a nice, like, kind of a little bright pink. It's in shade Daydreamer. This, like, I'm so excited to get 2 makeup products for $7. Like, yes, please. Can I please have more of this in my, like, I hope I can get another Target box. I hope I am able to snag July's box because I'm really pumped about this box. So far, I don't know if this is full size. I don't know if this is full size is what I was trying to say. I've never seen anything from Sleek Makeup before, but I'm going to assume it is. So far we've received 3 full-size samples, which is lit. Okay, and we're not even done. The next thing that I'm pulling out is Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, and the pink one. The pink one is my favorite one. I literally have like 2 bottles of the pink one because I find that's the one that takes off my makeup the best. If you've never tried out the Garnier Micellar Water, I would highly recommend it, except they aren't cruelty-free, which is a big downside for a lot of people. And I feel like it's 2018. Why are we still even testing on animals? Like, why is that a thing anymore? So I mean, that is a downside. However, I do really love this micellar water, and this would be really great to keep in my purse to remove my makeup if it gets too hot and I sweat it off. That would be really bad. The next thing that I received in my Target beauty box is a perfume sample. Are they trying to outplay Sephora Play? I want to know. Spill me in on the tea. Okay, this is Good Chemistry Queen Bee perfume with essential oils, vibrant and bold with a touch of sass. Sounds like me. Okay, so boo boo, black currant, peony, and amber is the description of this perfume. Because it matters to us, this perfume is vegan and cruelty-free with essential oils. We're also really happy that it doesn't contain parabens or propylene glycol. Okay, let's smell it. Oh my goodness. I'm always on the hunt for like a bright citrus, like I'm gonna smell like an orange or like a citrus stand walking around. Oh, it even comes with a little dipstick so I can like, boom, like a sword that I can just dip in there and like slay everybody with. Oh, I have a paper cut and I just got it on. Oh my god, it's burning. Oh, that really burns. Do not, pro tip, do not get perfume on a paper cut. Okay. I definitely get, it kind of smells like blackberries a little bit. I don't know what black currant is. But to me, this smells like blackberries with a touch of peony. I actually am not, I don't hate this perfume. It's nice. This would be very nice to, like, this would be something that I would wear in the fall. Not really summer, not like really like beginning of summer. I'm looking to like be bright smelling. It's a kind of a dark kind of like fall winter scent. However, I do want to smell like blackberries, but it's not exactly blackberries. It's blackberries with a touch of peony, and I feel like that sounds like it smells really bright, but it's not a bright scent. The next thing that I'm pulling out of this box is Allure Accents eyelashes, guys. Oh my gosh, even with glue and tweezers to put them on. They're really natural too. Okay, I don't even know how much these cost, but I know like we're getting way over $7 over here. 3/4 length lash, easy on, gentle off. I'm so excited to have such natural lashes. I love wearing like super dramatic lashes, but every once in a while I think I should put on some like natural lashes. These are my natural lashes, like I just have mascara on, but I would love to see what these would look like. Like I want something like nice and light and flirty, and I feel like that's exactly what these lashes would be. If you guys can see, I'm sorry the glare is so like bothersome. Boom, lashes. And the last thing that I'm pulling out in my Target beauty box is premium round cottons. We have 2 cotton pads, and I think that would make sense to go along with our Garnier Micellar water, so you can like take it off and like feel real luxury because you're using premium cotton pads. I mean, like, cool that I got them in there. It's not super, like, I'm not super like hyped that I got cotton pads, but it's nice because I feel like these two kind of go together. So here's everything that we received in our Target beauty box for June for $7. 2 premium cotton pads, a sample of Garnier Micellar water, natural fake lashes from Eylure, major matte lip cream from Sleek makeup. That's this pretty pink color. It really looks like it was gonna be so much darker, but I don't know. I really am happy with the lip color. A full-size Neutrogena Hydro Boost plumping mascara, and we also received a Colgate Optic White tooth whitening paste, and a perfume sample. So let's see, how many things is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. 7 things for $7. Let's see what the card says, because I see that there are tips back here. So we're just gonna read through the card. Lengthen lashes and a cinch with these fabulous falsies, specifically designed to hug the eye for easy application, comfy wear, and a natural lift. I can't wait to put these on and see what they look like. I will definitely be posting on Instagram if you guys are super curious about how they look. Vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and keratin-enriched formula instantly plumps and strengthens every lash from root to tip for all over volume. Psst is what it says, which is their tip. Formulated with a boost of hydration that adds shine to lashes and prevents breakage, flaking, and clumping. The next thing is this Sleek Makeup Major Matte Lip Cream. Matte finished liquid lipstick, has a light as air texture, which I can agree to, that provides comfortable wear and long-lasting color that won't cake, flake, or dry out. It's not exactly completely transfer proof. Trick. Matte lipstick is drying, so the key is to exfoliate before applying. Dab Vaseline onto lips, and then using an extra toothbrush, gently scrub in a circular motion. Hello, perfect pout. Then they're talking about this good chemistry fragrance. Sweeten up this fresh fragrance that combines vibrant notes of blackcurrant, peony, and amber. Hint, rub an unscented lotion onto pulse points before applying perfume to make the scent last longer. Or you can use Vaseline too. Next we have the Garnier Micellar water. Micellar technology works like a magnet, lifting away dirt, oil, and makeup without harsh rubbing, leaving skin perfectly clean, hydrated, and refreshed without over drying. Next, we have the Colgate Optic White Express Toothpaste for the pearliest whites. Brush teeth with this breakthrough formula, which offers whiter teeth in 3 days. Tip, for best results, use as directed for 4 weeks to achieve a bright white smile. I can't wait to use that toothpaste. I'm so excited about everything in this box. And then, except for these, I don't know. I'm just like, why did you guys put that in here? But I get that it pairs with the Garnier Micellar water. Lint-free, dual-sided cotton rounds are durable, soft, and gentle, making them perfect for all your skincare needs. So that's absolutely amazing, and I'm really glad that I was able to get a hold of this box because, I don't know, I'm really excited about the lipstick and the mascara and the toothpaste, but even the eyelashes, like, there's nothing in here that I'm not excited about. Like, even though I'm dissing them, I'm excited to receive the cotton rounds and see what they feel like on my skin and see if they help me, like, absorb any more makeup when I'm using my, like, Garnier Micellar water. I don't know. I'm excited to play around with them. It's something I've never tried before, and I'm always willing to try new things. What did you guys think of this month's Target beauty box? Would you like to see more unboxings on my channel? I can't wait to hear from you all in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.